Okay, guys, let me tell you how to get a piece of America. Now, whether you agree with Trump or you not, or you don't, it don't matter. Because he going to make a lot of people a lot of money. So let me log on to my investing app. Okay. So how do you get a piece of America? There's a stock called VOO. Vanguard S&P 500. It is $640.07. Okay. Right now, in the last 5 years, this stock is up 80% in the last 5 years. Okay. Last 5 years. Okay. I bought this stock, I think last year. Let me see when I bought this stock. I think I bought it last year. Yeah, I bought it last year, and it was $511. And I made over $150. Okay, so this stock pays a dividend. Okay, that means it pays you profits 4 times a year. Okay, so that means every quarter you're getting paid. Now, just depending on how many how many shares of VOO you have, that's how much profit you will get. So VOO holds NVIDIA. Let me open this up. It holds NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, AVGO, Google, Meta, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway. Those are, like, if you guys can see, the top 10 holdings. So they hold these stocks within the stock, right? It's an ETF, right? So it holds the stock within the stock. Okay, so you get a dividend every quarter. Okay, every quarter you're receiving a dividend. Okay, so if you don't have the 600, let me see how much it is. The $640.04, well, 3 cents. You can buy a piece of it for $20, $25, $5, $50, right? But the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you download the app. Okay, I have an app for you guys, to be able to download. Okay, literally. Okay, so you have to download the app. Okay, I am going to refer you to get $50, right? So I'll get $50 for each friend who joins. Okay, for each friend that signs up, an active investing account will get $25 or more, and I'll get $50. They'll get $25 to start investing in their stocks. Okay, they literally will get $50. Okay, now if you just want to refer people to get a banking account with this app, you can get $100. Get $100 to refer people. 10 people right now, you can make $1,000. 10 people right now, to show them how to invest, you can get $500. Okay, and then you can buy fractional shares of the VOO. You can buy $5, $10, $25, $30. If you don't have the whole 640 or 650 or whatever, right? That it is. But remember, the stock has went up. Let me go. 80% over the last 5 years. Okay, so it's 2026. You said you were going to invest. You said you were going to do better with your money. You said you were going to learn how to build wealth. Now's the time. This is your sign. Okay, it's free to sign up. So click on the link below. Yes, it's a real banking app. Yes, it's a real investing app. So yes, you got to put in your social. Yes, you got to upload your ID and that's an official app Okay, it's an official banking app that also gives you a high yield checking, high yield savings account. They also have refinancing and all of that. SoFi has been around going on 15 years. So this is not, just any random app. I've been with SoFi for 2 years. Okay, literally. So this is a great way. Okay, I have 650. How much I got? 650 points just from using, the app. Like literally, like just using the app. They also have loans. You can book your travel on here. You can monitor your credit. It has so many benefits. SoFi right here. It tells you all these different benefits that SoFi has. Okay, you can actually do your IRA if you want to. Literally, all this stuff is right here. You can invest for retirement. You can get a house. You can get a home loan, car loan, student loan, refinance. Literally everything. This is the millennial investing app. This is the Gen Z, the kids, investing app. Okay. So this is headache-free investing, okay? All you do is go to the investment part, transfer money from your banking side, put your $25 when you sign up, you get your free $25. I'll get $50, okay? And you can invest your $25 into VOO. Let's get started today.